Hi guys, and welcome to Alice Coral Photography. Thank you first of all for watching our first posing video. Because of all the questions and comments we got Hannah back again, because the common question was how to pose models on stools or seating. So we got Hannah on a stool, dead on to us, which is a common problem we actually find. I'm going to take a couple of photos just actually show you what it looks like, and then I'm going to ask Hannah if she can give us some tips and tricks of how to get the most out of this setup. Alright, so Hannah is directly head on to us. She's got hands on her lap. The stool is head on, so it's not giving much shape for us. I am shooting full length, but if I was to do a few close-up ones as well, there isn't much shape at all. Yeah, so I think I would put the stool at an angle to start. And then you also want your model to be at an angle to the camera, so we can create shapes this way. So shall we do some shots like that first then? Okay. There you go. Okay. Perfect. Okay. And what else would you suggest as well then? I always like some different levels to create some interest. So it's always nice to have sort of 1 foot higher than the other. Okay. It just creates a more interesting shape. It shows your whole legs and all your body. It also gives a little bit of a triangle shape too, as well. So we just grab a couple more photos too. There we go. Oh, that one didn't fire. That one did. There we go. Alright, so I hope that has helped. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing. And any other posing problems you actually have, drop them in the comments below, and we'll do a video for you. Thank you, Hannah, for joining us again, and we'll see you all soon.